Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary puzzle, third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and this one, the binary puzzle. This one you are interested, this will be number 8140. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get started. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s, 3, 4. Okay, between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.